Hello everyone, welcome to Networkings. How to learn new skills fast. So, learning is important for freshers and working professionals. The days are gone where you would complete schooling, graduation from college, and then forget about learning. The world is changing and moving too fast. If you do not learn for life, then you will constantly be at the threat of becoming outdated professionally. So, memorization. So, memorization is not required in this world anymore. Every human being has the whole world information in their pockets, right? So, the purpose of education should be to learn new skills, not memorization, or not to gain new information. So instead of learning something by reading a book, watching a video, or doing a course, you can learn something by doing it. The best way to learn swimming is to jump into the pool. The best way to learn to ride a bike is to ride a bike. The best way to become a network engineer is to practice labs. And the best way to become a system engineer is to create active directories and applies rules, which you learn in MCS and all. So when we get started, we have a huge bias against taking action. It feels like we should first learn about something and do something, but it is a difficult situation. So without doing something, you will not learn in the first place. The theory of something is not going to help much in practice. Instead of the practice of something is going to help a lot in understanding the theory. So it means you have to do labs first, then theory. And there is always a friction when we do something that is an anxiety inducing. So instead of taking action and going through the pain, we keep learning, we keep preparing, and we become slow. To understand this, we can think about a simple analogy. Think about how stressful it is when you are trying to find the new home of a friend who has recently relocated to some another area. If you use maps, you still have an anxiety until you identify his house. But if you have done it once, then the next time becomes 100x easy. You just know it in a deep wide way. You can be talking to someone on the phone and drive to the exact location without much thought next time, right? So if you want to go from point A to point B, you have to move. You cannot keep looking at the map. All the theories and concepts about getting to a new place will give a sense of satisfaction, but you will not have achieved anything. The only real progress is how much you moved. Once you have moved, the path becomes clear in your mind. You will know the path only when you have walked the path, not when you have learned about that path. If you take action, if you move, you will make progress. The progress will motivate you to move further. The path unfolds itself as you move. That's how you understand the path. If you keep looking at the map without moving for a long enough time, you will lose the motivation to get to your destination. In the first place, it will look complex. That's precisely what happens when people learn for years in college without actually doing something. The process of learning becomes hard and demotivating because the learning is not accompanied by doing, and without doing, there are no results. Without results, the motivation to learn is lost. That's why learning feels hard. Sometimes there is a false sense of motivation when people get ranked against each other, but the ranks do not mean anything in the real world. When people get good marks at school, they get motivated to learn more for a short period of time, but the motivation doesn't last long. It always also misdirects them into thinking that they have what it takes to succeed in life. But in the real world, what it takes to succeed is not being better than others, but the capability to be persistent in the face of failure. That's why, time and time again, we see many people who did very well in college actually do not do well in real life. Maybe you have also friends like that. And many people who did not do well in school and college shine in real life because they are getting motivated by the results of their work, and it pushes them to work more, and they learn as they work. So we understand, know, and remember the path as we move in the path. Action are the results, are the only motivation to learn. There is no other way to learn new skills fast. So start now by doing it. So thank you all. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.